Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to make a scroll bar in Microsoft Excel. If you have a huge amount of data like this table and you want to see them using a scroll bar like this, watch this video. By the way, this table has been made by using ChatGPT AI.TABLE function in Microsoft Excel. If you wish to know how to use AI.TABLE function in Microsoft Excel, check the description. Let us see how to make a scroll bar in Excel. In first step, enable the developer tab in the tab menu. If you have no developer here, right click in the ribbon, customize ribbon. Here's a developer, tick, and then click OK. Go to insert, click on this little arrow, scroll bar, create your scroll bar, right click on it, format control, keep current value as it is, minimum value set as 0, maximum value is 100. All my data are 100, I will keep it as it is. Incremental change, keep it as 1, page change 10. And then cell link, click in which cell you want, click on it, and then click here. Okay. My data will be shown in this small table, and click here into the target cell, type offset, go to insert function. This window will open, insert your reference, click on this. I choose the reference, rows, click here, and then press F4. This cell will be 0, height 1, width 1, and then OK. Drag the cell to apply the formula to the rest of the cells, and then drag it down, scroll down. As you can see, a scroll bar is created. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.